Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're checking out the best hydroponics growing system that brings fresh herbs, vegetables, and flowers straight into your home all year round. If you want faster growth and healthy plants without soil, this one is perfect. Let's get started. Today, we're talking about the Garden Cube Hydroponics Growing System. This system is designed for anyone who loves gardening but wants a smarter, cleaner, and faster way to grow plants. The Garden Cube Hydroponics Growing System uses modern technology to give plants the light, water, and nutrients they need, making indoor gardening easy and productive. One of the most important features of the Garden Cube Hydroponics Growing System is its 24-watt LED grow light. This light mimics natural sunlight, helping plants thrive by improving photosynthesis. The adjustable panel can reach up to 21 inches in height and rotate up to 180 degrees. This makes it easier to give every plant the right amount of light and simplifies pruning, helping your herbs and vegetables grow up to 5 times faster than traditional soil gardening. Another smart feature is the quiet automated watering system. Powered by a ceramic core water pump, it delivers oxygen-rich water to plant roots every 30 minutes while using very little energy. The pump operates at less than 20 decibels, keeping the system almost silent. A built-in water shortage indicator tells you exactly when to refill the 3-liter tank, and the transparent window makes monitoring water levels simple and stress-free. The Garden Cube Hydroponics Growing System also comes with a built-in control panel. You can choose between vegetable mode or flower and fruit mode, and the lights automatically follow a 16-hour on and 8-hour off cycle. This automation ensures consistent growth and reduces the guesswork for beginners and experts alike. Its design is very practical as well. The light pole is detachable and height adjustable, which makes cleaning and maintenance easier. With 8 growing pods, you can cultivate a variety of plants at once, such as basil, lettuce, rosemary, or even small tomatoes. The compact structure fits perfectly in kitchens, living rooms, or any indoor space. The build quality feels durable and thoughtful. Every component, from the LED lights to the water pump and growing pods, is designed for longevity. The sleek, modern appearance also makes it an attractive addition to your home rather than just a functional gadget. In real life, the Garden Cube Hydroponics Growing System is a game changer for daily plant care. You can enjoy fresh herbs for cooking, pick healthy vegetables for meals, or simply watch your flowers bloom without worrying about soil, weather, or pests. It makes gardening convenient, clean, and fun. This product is ideal for plant enthusiasts, families, or anyone who wants to explore indoor gardening with minimal effort. It is also a thoughtful gift for someone who loves fresh, homegrown produce or enjoys educational gardening activities. Want to grow fresh, healthy plants effortlessly? Check the price link in the description to see the latest deal. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more innovative gadgets. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.